Huawei will introduce its new watch. This will be the first international wearable to feature the new TrueSense health monitoring system and Harmony OS, and will be much more accurate health tracking. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. There will be an AMOLED touchscreen display with 1.82 inches screen size and resolution of 408 by 480 pixels. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 will be a fantastic wearable. Offer lightness, durability. Harmony OS also brings broader improvements. The interface will be bigger and brighter. Huawei remains a leader in wearable battery life. The Huawei Watch Fit 4 will be a 400 mAh battery and will charge via USB charger that effortlessly snaps to the back of the watch. Thanks to its power-efficient chipset, diary, and nutritional analysis algorithms, the watch will provide automatic prompts to track sports and activities, and even displays weather warnings. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.